National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern McLennan County and central Texas, northeastern Coryell County and central Texas, southeastern Bosque County and central Texas, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles north of Gatesville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waco, McGregor, Valley Mills, Crawford, Lake Waco, China Spring, Golson, Osage, Hearst Springs, Coryell City, Willow Grove, Mosheim, Turnersville, Pancake, and Rock Creek. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.